I'm excited to share how OMLOG is redefining luxury fashion logistics in Asia through our powerful strategic partnership with Geek.
In our Hong Kong multi-level automated warehouse, we optimize over 70,000 square feet, with 1,000 shelves handling more than 30,000 B locations. The system processes thousands of products at exceptional velocity, maintaining full performance even under peak loads.
The robots deliver unmatched accuracy and speed, handling thousands of SKUs with ease, no matter how intense the demand gets. In a city like Hong Kong, where space is incredibly tight and every moment counts, Geek Plus have completely transformed what used to be labor-intensive manual work.
The integration between OMLOG WMS and Geek Plus RMS proved to be remarkably simple and fast. Thanks to the robust and well-designed RMS platform provided by Geek Plus, our WMS can send tasks to the robot in the exact desired sequence. To further minimize waiting time, we developed a custom optimization layer that intelligently directs Geek Plus robot to approach the picking station in far more efficient manner. Within our broader automation strategy, OMLOG WMS plays the central orchestrating role. It optimized wave generation, which has substantially reduced the total number of tasks required for order fulfillment.
This project shows how our standard shelf-to-person solution can be tailored to Hong Kong's warehouse realities, including irregular layouts, lower ceiling heights of only 3 meters, and the need to maximize storage density through customized hardware and software. And our latest economics workstation with projector-guided picking, OMLOG achieved higher picking accuracy, improved efficiency, and optimized storage utilization in a high-performance apparel operation.
In a constantly evolving industry, our biggest added value is the exceptional flexibility of our logistic processes, allowing us to adapt quickly and effectively to new market demands and client requirements. Geek Plus automation has significantly improved critical operations like picking and packing, so our teams can focus on delivering premium value-added services that go far beyond daily logistics, e-commerce fulfillment, personalized packaging, efficient returns management, and tailor-made solutions for special campaigns and events.
Geek Plus Robotics have revolutionized what used to be a labor-intensive manual operation. The results speak for themselves, and they are truly game-changing. Productivity has more than doubled, driving dramatically higher output and letting us scale like never before. Our team experienced far less physical fatigue, safer working conditions, and a much more ergonomic, people-first workplace. This isn't just an automation, it's a smart, faster, more sustainable way to handle luxury fashion logistics. With Geek Plus, we found a partner that gives us the flexibility we were looking for.